Hi, you guys. Welcome to week 4. So we finished with cells, and I'm still getting some of those assignments in from you guys, but I think those are going well. Today, I'm recording this Sunday. It's just pouring, and I'm so excited for the rain. And I'm really looking forward to the termites because this is when they come out. And, the first rain, and then the sun comes out, and then there's these huge sort of surgence of underground termites, not the ones that eat your house, but the terrestrial ones. And so if I get a recording of that, I will post it for you because it's a really fun phenomenon to see at this time of the year. Very cool. Your assignments have been coming in fine. And this week then we're starting with energy. And moving on that, so this lab's assignment's a little different. I want you to read a couple articles. I think it'll be interesting. Big issue today, right? Energy. How do we make enough of that? And what kind of energy are we using in this world to protect this earth of ours? So very important topics. And all in all, I've heard from some of you. If you've had trouble, you've contacted me, which is awesome. That's the way to go. Let's see, what else is happening this week? It's kind of more of the same. So you have that same schedule that goes every week, and I hope that that's helpful to you, that there are no surprises. It just sort of happens. You have the assignment from the text, and then you have all my lectures, and then you have a quiz that comes from my end. So I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll tell you, if I get those termites in flight, I'm going to post that for you because it's super cool. And I'm looking forward to getting out after the rain. Oh yes, that's the other thing. I posted extra credit for you guys. So anytime you go out on a hike somewhere, just get outside after this rain. It should be really nice, less dusty, less hot. And if you go to one of the parks, I've listed lots of different locations that you can go. Go have a fun 2-hour hike, see what you can see, answer some of those questions, which are just about habitat. What did you look at? Where were you? Were you by the ocean? Are you in the forest? By your river? Is it riparian? And give you an idea of what it was that you saw, what was attractive to you. So if you get out, you'll get up to 7 points, and there's 2 date dues for that. There's one, I think, in October that you can hand one in, and then another one towards more the end of the semester. You can't go to the same place twice. You've got to pick different places. But and if you hate getting out, the other possibility is reading any of the books from the list that I've provided, which is awesome. So there are these extra credit opportunities, and I think they're really fun ones, so that's good. All right, let's have a good week. Be in touch if you need to be. Bye.